Man Kitchen Recipes. I am Kevin, and today I'm going to do what they're calling a pork sirloin. This right here, I've already got it seasoned up with some Uncle Steve's competition pig powder. I've got my meat stick in there. I got a bee flying around me. So what's a pork sirloin? You know, I've never heard of the cut. What it looks like to me is part of the pork loin. So anyway, they're calling it a pork sirloin. It doesn't have a fat cap. It doesn't have a whole lot of fat. So today I'm going to use my slim barrel smoker, and I've got it running at 275 degrees. I'm going to get this in there. I'm going to let it roll for probably till it's cooked. I'm cooking it for sliced pork for my lunches for the week, and so I'm going to get it on there, get it cooked, then I'm going to let it cool down. I might even throw it in the fridge for a while so it gets cold enough so that I can slice it and finish this video. But anyway, let's get this thing rolling. Slim barrel smoker open, and I'm just going to set this right here in the center. Nice sizzle going there. All right, so probably every hour I'm going to come out and spritz it, and I'll show you how we do that when the time comes. Just want to show you this Pitmaster IQ. This is the 110. And how do you know what temperature you're running at? So the 120 and the 130 have digital. This is analog. So you can just turn this little knob just under 275. And see how it stays solid green? That's what temp you're running at. So 275-ish. It blinks when it needs to add air to bring the heat up. But that'll settle out. 275, it'll drop, it'll come on. Anyway, that's how that works. About an hour, but before I check it and before I spritz it, I got to do a shameless plug for my Amazon shop at amazon.com/shop/ManKitchenRecipes. The link is down below, as is the link for this. This spritzer, I actually bought this from Tommy over at the Gallery Backyard Barbecues channel. Helped Tommy out at his Amazon store. So if you're looking for one of these, check out my store. I'll have a link for it below. Anyway, you fill it up with your water or broth or whatever you want. I've got some orange pineapple apple in here for my pork sirloin. And you just pump these up. You know, it pumps up just like you do like a garden sprayer, and then it sprays. I'm going to show you right now how it works. All right, like I mentioned, we're at 1 hour in. Looks like my competition pig powder is set up. So now I'm going to take my sprayer. We're going to spray this guy. All right, so we'll be back in an hour and we'll spritz it up again. We'll be back. We're going 2 hours in. Look at that. Doesn't that look wonderful? Still rolling at 275. I forgot to mention I'm using some Jealous Devil extra large lump charcoal in here, and some of them pieces were huge, big as that. Okay, my MeatStickX is letting me know it's at 155 degrees. Okay, so I'm going to pull this off. Look at that. Look how juicy that is, huh? Okay, so I'm going to set that on our foil right there. Pull the meat stick out. I'm going to wrap it up. Okay, there you go. There's my little, this thing's only about, I think it's 2 or 3 pounds, not very much. Pork sirloin. Instead of pork loin, pork sirloin. Whatever, it's going to be delicious. We use the SBS Slim Barrel Smoker. Okay guys, next you'll see me slicing this up, making some sandwiches. We'll probably do a taste test. I'll see you in a little bit. All right, look at that. Now that it's all cooled off, we're going to slice it up, deli thin. Nothing like having a meat slicer. If you don't have one, you need one. Look how thin that is. Oh yeah, look at all that pork. Here's my plate. Pork sirloin. We're going to make a couple sandwiches. We're going to do them on the Blackstone. I got some onion, some provolone. The pork, I'm telling you, I already tried it. It's delicious. I've got some little easy spread for these. It's mayonnaise, balsamic vinegar, and pepper. These little scraps right here, they're fantastic. Might even throw a couple on my sandwich. Right now we're gonna get these sandwiches on the Blackstone and get them built. Okay, I've got my onions over here, got my meat warming up. I've only have these two burners on right here. Get some olive oil down, and I'm gonna lay my buns down so we can toast them up. Yeah, not butter, olive oil, good stuff. All right, nice and toasty, just that quick. Okay, so I'm gonna turn my fire off. Okay, and what we're gonna do here is going to flip my bun over. I'm gonna pile my meat right on top. I'm gonna move the lids to the side. Let me get hers too. Okay. Yeah, that's warm. Blackstone tongs. Okay. And get some onions on each. Piece of provolone on each one. Okay. Now it's not super hot on this side, but I'm going to dome it. Squirt just a little bit of water in here on this hot side and get some steam in there to steam the cheese. Okay, provolone doesn't take very long. That's good enough. We're going to just go ahead and put this sauce right on top like that. You want to make this ahead of time so all the flavors can just blend together. I just did a quarter cup, a little over a quarter cup of mayonnaise, just about a teaspoon of balsamic vinegar, and then pepper to taste. I probably put about a teaspoon of pepper because I love pepper. All right, and that's all there is to it. I'm going to cap it off just like that, and there you go. There's our roast pork sandwiches. Yeah, look how good these look. Look at that. Oh man, I cannot wait to try these. So let's give these a taste test. Okay, and it's that easy. Just a simple roast sliced pork sandwich. I roasted that pork sirloin for 2.5 hours at 275 degrees in the slim barrel smoker. So let's give it a taste. I've got the provolone, the balsamic mayonnaise and pepper sauce, and some onions, and the sliced pork. Here's a bunch of sauce on the side. Let's get a bite with all that sauce. That sauce goes great with this pork. Obviously, you can make all kinds of sandwiches with sliced pork. This is what I decided to do tonight. And I'm going to say it's a winner. The sauce, the pork, is just amazing. I just made these with the sesame seed buns. You can make them with nice rolls. Matt, you could even use them, make like Cuban sandwiches with that. Just get you some ham, mustard, pickles. Telling you, so good. All right, check out my Amazon shop. I'll put that Pitmaster IQ on there in case you're interested in one of those. One of those Pitmaster IQs you can use on your Weber Smoky Mountains, your 18 or 22. You could even use them in an offset, which I might do with that old rusty one over there. Your barrels, they come in handy. It's like using it with it's like turning your barrel or Weber Smoky Mountain into like a pellet grill. It keeps the temp, saves you on charcoal or wood. Good stuff. Anyway, that'll be on my shop too, and in a link below. Okay, thanks for coming. If you're not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. Doesn't cost you a dime. I'm on Mondays and Thursdays. Got some more great recipes coming. This one was fantastic. I hope to see you again.